In this video, we continue looking at more button modifiers. In part 1, we learned how to create buttons. Let's look at more ways to customize buttons, starting with dot background color. When you want more control over your button color, instead of using the tint modifier, you can use the dot background color modifier. If you need to change the shape of your button, you can accomplish this with the dot button border shape modifier. Along with the dot capsule option, you have a few other options as well, such as dot rounded rectangle with radius, and dot automatic. Each modifier uses a shape to control the corners, and with the dot automatic option, it will default to the current context of your app. We can add roles to our buttons like this. When you set the role of a button to destructive, and the dot button style is dot bordered prominent, iOS will automatically make it red. Let's look at how roles and button styles can be used in a few different ways. The dot control size modifier might be easier to use when working with multiple button sizes than using different heights. The dot control size allows you to change the size of the button. Other options include dot large, dot small, and dot mini. In iOS 15, Apple added the ability to add different types of blur effects to buttons. When you use the dot background modifier, you can add button materials. When we add materials to a button, you insert a translucent layer between the modified view and its background. Depending on the material used, you can achieve a different blur effect. Let's look at the rest of the blur effects. This concludes the basics of buttons.